Hello, good morning, children. Good morning, children. Today we will continue with our lesson number 2, that is computer hardware and software. Children, as we have seen in our last video, hardware. Okay, now you all know what is hardware. Okay, all the physical parts, all the equipments which you can touch and feel are called hardware. Okay, that are attached to a computer. All the physical equipment that are attached to a computer are collectively called hardware that you can touch. Okay, children, so which are these hardware parts? You all know which parts we can touch. We can touch keyboard, we can touch monitor, we can touch system unit, mouse, printer. These all hardware parts. In our last video we have seen what is hardware. Now children, today we will see what is software. What is software? Okay, now children, see here. Software is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware what to do and how to perform a particular job. You cannot touch or feel the software. Now children, I will explain you what is the software. Okay, see, it is a set of instruction. It is a code which runs behind, okay, which runs in the computer. It is a set of instructions that tells the computer hardware. Computer hardware means all the parts, monitor, keyboard, mouse, system unit. It gives the instructions to the computer hardware what to do and how to perform a particular task. Okay children, understood? So software is a set of instructions. Understood? And you cannot touch the software. Children, the main difference between the software, hardware and software is you cannot touch the software and hardware you can touch. Understood children? Now see, there are two types of software. How many types of software? Two types of software. One is a system software and another is a application software. Okay, now children, we will see first what is system software. Okay children, now see, the system software is a type of software that controls and manage the overall activities of a computer system. Now, children, see, system software is a type of a software, okay, that controls and manage the overall activity of computer system, a whole computer system. Okay, now see, the system example of system software, I will give you operating system. Okay, operating system is one of the type of system software. Okay children, system software, it is the first software which has to be installed on computer. Okay, see children, when you start the computer, okay, listen to me carefully. When you start the computer, we get one message on the screen. Okay, what is that message we get on the screen? Can you tell me? When we start the computer, we get one message. Window is starting or starting. Like this message we get. Okay, what is that window? Can you tell me what is that window? Yes, that window is operating system. That window is an operating system which runs behind the screen. Okay, it operates from behind the scene and ensure that your computer system functions properly. Okay, and it also runs the application software. Operating system is an example of system software. Operating system is an example of system software. See children, operating system coordinates all the activities in computer. Okay, so some operating system are Windows XP, Windows 2000, Windows Vista, Apple, Windows 7, Linux. These all are operating system. See, without operating system, your computer will not work. Okay children, you need to have operating system in your computer. Okay, nowadays we are using Windows 2010, right? So when we start the computer, this operating system starts running behind. Okay, and then it manage all the activities of the computer. Okay, and when you shut down the computer, okay, when you close all the programs and then shut down the computer, you get one message on the screen. What is that message? Window is shutting down. Please wait. Or please wait. Or you get shutting down. Okay, shutting. Like this message you get. What is that? That Windows operating system is getting shut down. Okay children, understood? So this is operating system. That operating system is a type of a system software. What is it? It is a type of system software. These are all different operating systems. Okay, now children, we will see application software. Okay, application software. There are two types of software. We have seen system software and now application software. Very easy children. The software that performs a specific task for the user is known as application software or apps. Apps you all know. Nowadays you all use different apps on the mobile, on the laptop, right children? Different apps you know. We install so many different apps in the computer, in the mobile, right children? So what is this application software? What is this app? These softwares perform the specific task for the user. Okay, what is the meaning of this specific task means? See, I will show you first the different applications. Okay, now see children, these are different application softwares. Okay, MS Word is there, MS Excel is there, PowerPoint is there. Okay, Mail is there, Netflix is there, Google Drive is there, Paint is there, Audacity is there, PDF is there. All these are softwares, but these are application softwares. These are application softwares. Why? Because these performs the specific jobs. Like, I will give you one example. See children, if I ask you to draw in Paint, draw a picture, okay, draw some Mickey Mouse, draw one Mickey Mouse. Which application you will use? Which application you will use to draw Mickey Mouse? Simple. You will open MS Paint, right children? You will not open MS Word, you will not open Excel. We will use MS Paint to draw, right children? So this MS Paint do a specific job only drawing work. Okay, in this MS Paint we can do only drawing and coloring, correct children? So this is for the specific purpose, only for the specific purpose. These are called application softwares. These are called application softwares. Okay children, understood what is application software? Apps. See, on the Netflix you cannot write a document. On the Netflix you can only watch the movies, right children? So Netflix software is only for the watching movies. Like same way, email is only for sending mails, receiving mails, right children? So these are doing a particular task, particular job, only for the particular job. These are application softwares. Understood children? Application software, system software. There are two types of software. One is a system software and one is a application software. Okay children? Now see now we have clear idea what is hardware and what is software. Okay, so hardware and software complement each other. What is the meaning of this? Hardware and software complement each other. That means without hardware, software is of no use. Without hardware, software is of no use. And without software, hardware is a dumb machine. Hardware is a dumb machine. That means, what is the meaning of this? See, I will explain you. Hardware and software complement each other. The both are interdependent. Okay, they depends on each other. If you have all the hardware parts but you don't have a software in your computer will not work. Correct children? See, you have monitor, you have system unit, you have keyboard, you have mouse, speaker, printer, everything you have, but in your computer you don't have operating system. You don't have operating system. Windows operating system is not there. Okay, any operating system is not there. You don't have. So your computer will not work. You cannot operate. You cannot start the computer without the operating system. Understood children? So both are important. Now another example I will give. See, you have all the software with you in your computer. Okay, if I ask you to draw image, if I ask you to draw kite, okay, but you don't have mouse, you have a paint application in your computer. Okay children, you have paint, but to draw we need mouse also. Correct? To draw kite we need mouse also, but you don't have mouse only. Mouse is a hardware. So how you will draw? Not possible. Understood? So hardware and software complement each other. They are depend on each other, interdependent. Understood? So see, you can say without software, computer hardware is just like a human body without a soul. Okay, without software, computer hardware is just like a human body without soul. A human body, if no soul, it is of no use. Okay children? So we need both. We need hardware also, we need software also. Got it children? I hope you all understood hardware and software, and today's video, that is specially software. Okay, two types of software, application software and system software. In the system software there is an operating system, and the application software different apps. Okay children, I hope you all understood today's software lesson. Okay children, have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.